Hey peeps, you know it's your boy Alfred. We outside. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. Well, today decided say I'm gonna do some fried fish. Nothing fancy today. Today just fried fish and bread. So it's not already people. Yeah. The fish seasoned up already. Then I'm gonna add my oil. Make sure so the pot hot, you know. Peeps, make sure so the pot hot. And if you guys see where the steam, some more gonna come out of the pot, but I tell you, the pot hot. I always measure my thing in one of these. Yeah man, no good. One of these is good. Take a garlic. Yeah. Take a garlic. Yeah, peeps. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going to put in the first set. Yeah, man. Some nice sliced fish. Guys, there we have a container. So the fish fry. So you know, I have fish for days. Mash up on 3 fish in a day and carry. On 3 guy tomorrow. No fish left. Fish done. Fish finish. Yeah, fish finish. Get the oil hot. Oil have well hot, you know, people. When I say well hot, oil have well hot. You know, some should coat the fish in some flour. Yeah, man, I should coat it in some flour. Well, people, I coat it in some flour. Stay tuned. Beef, so we have the flour. Add a little all-purpose season, so you season your flour. So, and you dip. The reason why I use small amount of flour is because we don't want to coat the fish in too much. Let's see how hot the iron is. It seems to be hot. So people, look, this is how we're going to do the fish. Not too much. First one. Come on. Third one, peeps. And you can't find one next small one. After everything else big. This is just one work with them 3 nights. So, same process with all of them. See? And then we have the flour coated with some all-purpose season. Then we have nice hot oil. Add a bit of garlic. Normally people always ask how much minute do you leave the fish to the fry. I always tell them that once the one side of the fish get a golden brown look, you turn it on the next side. So you're looking for a golden brown. Some people like when their fish to be burned. When I mean burn, I'm not meaning black, but a dark golden brown. Stay tuned and watch when I turn the fish. Yes, kids, I was thinking about getting myself some macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to add the macaroni and cheese. Let the water go and add to the macaroni. So please may add some different macaroni to the pot, or I never add these ones. Alright. So now the fish look like they want to be good. Look. So we're looking for the golden brown. Wow. See what I'm talking? This is what I'm talking about, people. Golden brown. I take me almost to get that golden brown look. It should take almost like 3 to 4 minutes. So stay tuned and watch out for it. So people, this is my second turn and this is the color. See? That's my second turn. So when I mean the second turn, this was the first turn. So I flip it. So this is the second turn on this side. I don't think I'm gonna give them a third turn. So let us see the color that I get. I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one, and do not let the New Year stress you out. Now we are I think we are going in a tampering season where everything is going to be hard, but don't worry yourself, just ride out the storm. You did it last year, you can do it again, but did it much better. Okay? Your boy Afro, we outside. Remember, God is the greatest. Understand? Understand on my nose. So people, I make a third flip. So this is my third flip, look. Yeah, that's that golden brown. So I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes, and then after 2 more minutes I take it out. And then we add fresh fish to the pot. So peeps, this is the color that I beautiful. See? Beautiful. So stay tuned and watch where I go on. Adding it set to it. The people are doing the same process, just like how we did the first one. Coating the fish with a small amount of flour. Make sure your oil still keep hot. So stay tuned, same process. People, same procedure. So macaroni and cheese, and add my butter. Stay tuned, people. people. So here we have macaroni and cheese.